I will show you what have I packed into my backpack, which I have tried to make as light as possible because at this high altitude every gram counts. And who knows, maybe I will have to carry some weight from edit as well. Tomorrow we will attempt to climb Teide. First of all, I have here the clothes that I will be wearing. Boxers from Raab, long sleeve shirts from Raab, and long pants from Mountain Equipment. The boots and the socks are already in the car, as well as the hiking poles. It's difficult to choose the right clothes because down there is really hot and up on the summit cold as ice. Let's see what I have left out from the backpack compared to the hikes from the other days. We have here some ibuprofen tablets, Edit takes those now. First of all, I have taken out this foam pad from the back of my backpack and the two lower straps, we don't need those now. The other two will be left on the backpack, this and this. In the meanwhile, I lost my slippers. The camera stays at home because I will have my phone anyway because of the GPS track. Then we have here the bag of the sunglasses with the straps inside. I will take the sunglasses only with the original arms. The tripod for the camera, there will be enough people on the peak that can make us pictures, those that come with the cable car. Power bank. The plan is to arrive back to the car in daylight, so we don't need the reserve headlamp and we also don't need the reserve batteries. I will take with me the main headlamp. The battery is charging right now, it's at 80%. And here we have the headlamp itself. Short sleeve shirts. I only take the long sleeve ones and if I'm feeling hot I will roll the sleeves. We don't need the purification tablets. We don't need a stomach antiseptic, neither the throat candy. What remains are the tablets against allergies, stomach cramps and diarrhea, because the high altitude can cause stomach problems, as both of us experienced yesterday on Pico Viejo. I've left inside the first aid kit also the aspirin against altitude sickness, I mean against headaches. I've had headaches even today. So let's see what will I pack inside the backpack. First of all, the food. 2 croissants, some chocolate bars and 2 protein bars. Should be enough. For breakfast I will eat some chocolate cereal. Then first of all 3 liters of water, because we are expecting a 10-hour hike. It will be pretty long. After that, in this dry bag, the stuff that hopefully we will not need. First aid kit. Edit's rain poncho, not mine because she forgot to bring her wind jacket, so she uses my rain jacket against the wind. Let's see what else do we have here. Oh yes, my rain pants. Okay, in this one only my puffy jacket, and in this one the permit for the peak and my ID card. And this is my wind jacket. These are my winter gloves. It's possible that I will need them. I needed them on Pico Viejo as well. These are some thinner waterproof gloves. This is sunscreen, but we will use it before the hike. I almost forgot about this. I will bring the Castrol. This will be my luxury item. And here the antibacterial gel and the lip balm. It's important. I haven't used it for years, but in Tenerife I needed it and will need it tomorrow as well. I will show you how it looks like packed. So I managed to pack my backpack. It isn't light, not even now, but I can feel the difference compared to the other days. So now I will show you where have I put every item. Here's the wind jacket, the thin gloves, the hat and the toilet kit. In this small pocket, the permit and the ID card and the sunglasses which I will be wearing. I will probably wear the wind jacket as well most of the time. This one I told you already. We put on the sunscreen, then leave it in the car or in the room. I usually put the trash in these 2 pockets. Inside the main compartment we have the red dry bag with the first aid kit and the rain jacket. Above that the winter gloves. Above that the puffy jacket. And above that the croissants. Let's see the other side. Here I have a buff and the Castrol, 2 protein bars, and this one I've shown already, the antibacterial gel and the lip balm. Here a Bounty and a Kit Kat. This is where I will put my phone, and here 2 more chocolate bars. And of course the water. I'm going to bed. We wake up at 6. Goodbye.